tracer. I'm gonna show you the function of add new data. So first, let's click the add new data. Let's wait for a moment. So let's input the details. Name is Ian Labonite, age 24, and email. I'm gonna use the UIC email. Then add. So let's view the result. So it shows that it really works. So let's move to the SQL. Then so enter. So as you can see, it shows that the detail that I input is it really works. So next is the edit. So I'm gonna edit the details. So let's change this. I'm gonna add Ben, then 25. Now I use the capital letters. Okay. Then update. Let's view the result. So then now see the SQL. Then let's try the delete. I delete the example details. Are you sure you want to one? Yes. Okay. And also this. Delete. Okay. Then here SQL, it shows that empty set. So that's all for the task